Welcome to another Sparks Enterprise Architect Masterclass, and once again we will be working with Enterprise Architect version 15.2, which I'll just open now. In this session I'm going to be giving an overview of the modeling languages and frameworks that come with Enterprise Architect. So just open a model, and I'm going to create a package and select and apply a model pattern. And you can see here that in the model patterns you have a choice of many different perspectives. I'm going to go down and look at Enterprise Architecture and choose Archimate. And there are basic viewpoints, motivation viewpoints, strategy viewpoints, and implementation and migration views. So there are four main viewpoints of Archimate, and I'm going to choose the layered viewpoint. Model patterns come with a description and an example diagram and a bit of a discussion about what you might use this model pattern for and what you might do next, plus some links to further information. Otherwise, click on the model pattern that you wish and press OK. Here you can see that I've had a new package created, which I'm just going to quickly rename to Archimate Layered Diagram. And then I'm going to open the diagram that was automatically created along with a hierarchy of elements within packages. So as you can see, this model matches that given in the discussion within the previous dialogue. And I can find these elements. A quick shortcut is Alt-G to find a selected element in the browser, and you can see that these elements hierarchy is reflected in the browser too. So this is one example of a language and framework that is made available to you through Enterprise Architect. The Archimate standard, business roles, business service, and lots of other element types and relationship types can be used to quickly accelerate your modeling in a particular language. Now, to check which modeling languages are available, you can click on this Specialize tab at the top and then click Manage Tech. Now, these are MDG technologies, or model-driven generation technologies. And you can see there's a big long list of all different frameworks and languages that are available. Here you have SysML, TOGAF, and of course Archimate. Now these can be switched on, so you can see that Archimate is available, and I can make SysML available and TOGAF available simply by clicking on the Enable checkbox. So having added TOGAF, I can now go back in, add a view. I'll call this one TOGAF viewpoint. Let's get this right. Select and apply a model pattern, and this time, as well as Archimate, we now have TOGAF. There we go. I was going to choose perhaps the starter model, which shows what's going to be created in here. Press OK. we go, and now we have a new package called TOGAF Viewpoint. We have an architecture development method. I'll open the diagram, and there we have automatically generated overview of TOGAF. An enterprise continuum, and an example catalog. So these frameworks consist of particular element types, relationship types specific to the framework, diagram types with custom toolboxes specifically for the task at hand, all available out of the box with Vanilla Enterprise Architect.